Hey, welcome back. Y'all already know for a quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead like we do each day and jump right into this video. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? I mean, good morning. Because when y'all get this, when y'all actually get this video, it's going to be in the morning. So good morning. How y'all doing? Hope y'all have an excellent day at work. Yeah. So y'all, YouTube as always is really crazy. So I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things. Just a couple, won't be here too long, I just had to do like I always do, come and grace you guys with my appearance because my subbies are the best. They rock. It's no other like y'all. Just remember, keep that in mind. I did not forget about the giveaway. We are still going to do the giveaway. I'm not even going to tell y'all when because this is the thing, y'all. I have so much on my plate and it's just crazy. So I mean, I'm gonna get it done. We gonna get it done. Just go ahead and work with me, people, and not against me. Now I went ahead on, and I know y'all got to watch the video today that I actually put out about strong mommy Chrissy. The video was titled, I think, Scam or Does Strong Mommy Chrissy Love the Kids? So on that video, I got a lot of messages basically was saying they don't think that it was legit. And y'all already know how I do. If someone sends me something, a receipt or whatever, I am going to come on camera and show it and tell it whatever it is. That's what I'm going to do. So I received, I think there were 2 messages. Now, let me nip this in the bud too as well. I was just speaking on, the video that she put out on what she was doing or whatever. I am not a federal agent. I myself am not a YouTube / strong mommy Chrissy detective. I'm not. I don't know if some of you got that mixed up or some of you just wasn't thinking as you guys always do. But yeah, I'm just letting you know that, I'm neither one of those. Okay? See, there were a lot of questions, did the presents come to her and would she go ahead and, send them out or, all that stuff. So I guess, well, it's not, I guess, one of the people that she actually, I'll say 2 of the people that were actually in the registry, they decided to go ahead and send me an actual message. And we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So her name or his name was I Am Chosen. And the message reads like this. Hey, Reese, I was one of the ones that was picked. My name is Kayla Haynes. She goes on to say, and none of the gifts goes to Chrissy. So none of the gifts went to Chrissy. She said, we made our own wish list and sent her the link. So they made their own wish list and then they sent her the link. Okay. Everything goes to our address, not hers. She said again, everything goes to their address, not Chrissy's. She went on to say also a lot of her supporters bought a lot of our gifts before she could. So most of Strong Mommy Chrissy's supporters bought all of the gifts before Strong Mommy Chrissy even had to. She said, I just wanted to clear that up. That's all. So I'm going to read this to y'all one more time so to let it go ahead and soak in. And she said, hey, Reese, I was one of the ones that was picked. my name is Kayla Haynes, and none of the gifts goes to Chrissy. We made our own wish list and sent out her the link. Everything goes to our address, not hers. Also, a lot of her supporters bought a lot of the gifts before she could. I just wanted to clear that up. That's all. Okay? So I have another message, and this person's name is DC Light. And what he or she had to say is that you caught the last part of the list. The rest had already been bought. Hunty it was. Well, you know. All right. So basically what this person, I think she's talking about is where I told you guys there were some AirPods or whatever, and they were for like $200. So this person is basically saying, and I'll read it again, that you caught the last part of the list. The rest had already been bought. Then she said, Hunty it was. Well, you know. Yeah. So I guess that summed it up, for a lot of us, or nobody, or maybe it didn't mean anything to you. But I wanted to go ahead, and read that. You get what I'm saying? Someone sent me some information. So I wanted to go ahead and put it out there for Strong Mommy Chrissy. So therefore, people won't be on the level where they think that she is a scammer. You get what I'm saying? I mean, some things can look a certain way at one time, and then, you look at it a different angle, and then you know what it is. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to move along from that. All right, so guys, not any of my subscribers, because all of my subscribers are, you already know, the ish. Y'all really are. Y'all really, really, really are. But what I am going to say is this. My platform is a forum where I do reactions on the content that people or the three mommies decide to put out. That's what I do. Okay. Now, you have some people, because what it is that when reactors put out stuff, they feel, angry. They get upset. They feel this way. They feel that type of way. But it's only thoughts and opinions. It's not someone bullying you. And I mean, the people that, that have brains and all that, good type of stuff in their head that ticks and tacks and works the correct ways, know exactly what I am saying. You get me? I mean, it's just common sense. Some people, a lot of people, when you say things that hit home, they don't like it. But you know what? That right there is a life learning experience. All right. People, my girlfriends tell me things or whatever that I may get upset about. But I already know that is their thoughts and that is their opinions. And do I have to listen to them? No. Or do I listen to them and keep it in the back of my mind and later on think back to it and say, you know what? I think that young lady or my friend may have been correct. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to go ahead and research this. I'm going to have to rethink this. I am going to have to make this a little bit better. Okay. Now, another thing. A lot of people get mad at the reactors. And I'm going to tell you why. The reactors are not angels. Okay. But a lot of them, they live a great life. So what happens is when you come on camera and you speak and you talk and you do you and it shines through, a lot of people are not going to like that. A lot of people, it is going to intimidate them. I mean, it is what it is. When you are on YouTube, you have to have a strong shield, because if not, some people will think that they are going to run you off of YouTube. Some people think they want to fight you or something like that. You get me? But Another thing what people need to realize is that this is YouTube. This is on camera. Out in the street, try it if you want to. And I'm going to leave it at that. Now, a lot of times, this is what I do. Because I want everybody to know this. If you come into my comments and you may say a name of someone that may have very well said something about me, or you may very well don't like them and you had to correct them, what I do in return, I erase the comment. Because the first thing that I'm going to tell you is that I am not going to have any of my subscribers in the comments or new people that are coming over in my comments, read the comment and then decide to go over there to their channel to support them or to subscribe. Because, and most of the time, they don't give a shit about that person. They just are going there to see the dumbass shit that they literally have to say. Yeah. So another example I will give you. If you come in and you see a video that I either have deleted or actually put it on private, the answer to that is the fact that I run my platform a certain way. And like I said before, and I said many times, my platform is not a beefing platform. Okay? It's not, and it's not going to be. So once I know that a person is trash, you get what I'm saying? And we are not the same at all, and they are very, very confrontational, baby, the first thing I am going to do is take down any videos about you immediately. It's not because I am scared. Oh no, y'all already know how Reese get down. It's not because of that at all. It's that I don't want your face, your negative shit, your videos on my platform whatsoever. You don't scare me. I mean, you don't get me bothered. I mean, I'm not over here crying. I mean, I'm not over here stalking you. I mean, I'm not over here trying to see what drawers you decided to wear this morning. That's just not me. And another thing, what you have to do is, like I told you guys, the best way to get a person to look stupid is basically to what, y'all? Y'all already know, to ignore the fuck out of them. Ignore them. And they totally look stupid. Ignore them. And then when you know that they are trash, you like, first of all, look, y'all, I'm already adorable. Okay? So do you think I am going to go ahead and get myself together and come on camera and go back and forth with you? I mean, I'm not going to go back and forth with anyone that looks like Cyclops. I'm not going to do it, you guys. I'm not going to do it. No. I don't want it. Ain't doing it. Zero, zilch. I ain't going to be able to do it. Not at all. Okay? Y'all know, again, I am going to say this again. No one on this platforms intimidate me or scare me whatsoever. And another thing, whatever I want to say, I am going to say it. And you know what? There is nothing that you can do about it. All right. The only thing you can do is come on over here and sneak into my videos and watch them and feel stupider and stupider every single time you do it. Okay? I mean, for me to go back and forth with you, you got to have something. If you are a no one, a nobody, a piece of shit, a bottom of the barrel, a scammer, a liar, a cheat, I mean, an all-around ugly person, don't even know which eye really works, I'm not doing it. I'm not. Because that's not what my platform is for. But if that's what you want to do on your platform, then go right on ahead. Under no means necessary. But I myself, I'm not going to participate with you. So hopefully we have this all together. Oh, and one more thing, guys. When did YouTube get so childish where people actually get upset because you are in someone else's chat? Come on, guys. I mean, and it's very, very, very confusing. You have geriatric patients that are wearing diapers and they are acting like a fool. Where do they actually do that at? Y'all already know. Y'all already know that I'm a fool. Y'all already know that if I feel like it, I can come through here and drag a bitch strong across the floor. I can wipe their ass with the floor. But again, you know, that's not what my platform is for. And again, it's the new year. So we're going to be stepping into some other things. We're going to progress. We're not going to stay in the same situation, people. What else did I have to talk to you guys about? This is the thing. See, on my end, you know, the people that are in my circle, when I get ready to pop off, which I might do, I'm not really sure, but I have not said nothing to my people. Because I'm going to tell you right now, when I get ready to pop off with certain situations, I'll normally call certain people. And as they are watching this, I already know that they are saying, or is going to say, they will say, look, why are you even going to go back and forth with that person? You and that person is not even on the same level. So don't talk to them. Ignore them. Let it go. But y'all already know that I'm a little bit, you know, have to put you in your place sometimes and do it real clean, real quick, and just excellent. And then what I do is I fall back and I let you do whatever it is that you decide that you want to do, that you think is bothering me, and it is totally not. It's just giving me free advertisement. So I'm going to go ahead, y'all, and slide on up off of here like I always do in a real beautiful manner. And I am going to see all of you beautiful people, all of my PCs, and what? My next video, guys. Later.